Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, Twoguysfinance. And today I'm going to walk you through how to check your target gift card balance online using your laptop in 2025. Now, it's quite simple to do this. The first thing you need to do is find your 15-digit gift card number and the 8-digit access number. Now, this can be found by gently removing the metallic strip on the back of your gift card. Now, once you have these two important numbers, that is your gift card number and your access number, the next thing you're going to do is visit the target gift card balance page. Open the browser and then visit the target gift card balance page. That is target.com/guest/gift card balance. This is it over here. So once you've visited this page, the next thing you need to do is you see a part where it said balance check page. So you input your 15-digit card number there and your 8-digit access number in their respective fields. Then click the check balance button. Your current balance and the details of your last 5 transactions will be displayed. It's as simple as that. Now, note that target gift cards do not expire, so you can use them at any time without concern for losing value. And also, there are no fees associated with checking your gift card balance through any of the methods. By following these steps, you can easily monitor your target gift card balance and manage your shopping budget effectively.